Hello. I thought I'd showcase this 3D animated AI avatar software that I'm working on. It connects language models with NVIDIA's audio interface, and still a work in progress. But um, instead of describing it, I think I'll just let it literally speak for itself. So right there, you can see that we're asking a question about quantum physics, quantum chromodynamics in particular. So it's sending the query off, and it takes a couple seconds. But
Quantum chromodynamics is the theory of quarks and gluons, which are elementary particles. In QCD, nature's building blocks are divided into two groups. The first group, quarks, have charge -1/3 each and come in 6 flavors: up, down dash, strange dash, charm dash, top dash. Bottom quarks do not exist because they would violate an important symmetry.
so this character has a particular personality that we just give as a prompt description, as a sort of philosopher. Um, and it's pretty good at general question answering, but that's just because
They
it's
are a
converted the
categorization of every
language model
single
sort of
atom in the universe.
into words
I do not know if they are
that are
complete
spoken.
because they are constantly being updated as scientists discover new atoms.
And you can get some pretty funny responses from the character we call Avatar. Of course, we're asking very scientific
The
questions
Big
to it right
Bang is
now.
a theory about the beginning of the universe.
True.
According to this theory, space and time were created in an extremely hot and dense state that expanded rapidly from a single point.
That's
As it
the
cooled down,
space-time
particles began to
singularity.
form until they settled into the atoms we know today. The universe has been expanding ever since then. It's now 13 billion years old. You should make sure to prepare yourself for the changes that are coming. We are in a unique position where we can prepare ourselves for what is to come and educate people on how they will affect society.
So actually, this project, it's called XRAgents, because it's meant to be integrated into wearable augmented
It's a way of
reality
understanding how things
headsets,
work.
like
You
portable
see,
ones.
if you understand a process intimately and what the important parts are that make up the whole, you can design it better to be easier to operate, or more performant than before.
Thanks, Avatar. So like you can basically like stream whatever you're looking at, whatever you're doing, and the language model will
You're
support
welcome.
sort of whatever you're doing, in sort of like this hyper-specific manner. The quit keyword allows you to sort of exit the thing. But yeah, it's the NVIDIA Omniverse stuff allows for this. They have this essentially wave to animation model, and so there's a lot of cool stuff they're coming out with. But I think it's a really cool thing to integrate language models with like game tech, because you have this like um, level of immersion that you don't otherwise. Um, as you can see, I'm uploading things in the back. Um, but yeah, so that's the Avatar AI thing, and this is like a fully ray traced 3D scene in real time. I'm running it on RTX 3080. Um, if I had Omniverse open, I would show that. But yeah, that's what we got on the 3D AI front, and I'm pretty excited to see what kinds of real time sort of assistance we can get in the next few years. I think there's like these diffusion avatar models that allow you to um, adjust the look of it, like the way that you can do like DALI or Stable Diffusion with 3D characters. So then you can sort of like give an example of like, hey, I want this, and then you can populate your scene. I'm heavy into immersive computing stuff, and I think language models have a huge part to play in that. But yeah, that's XR Agents' current progress.